Keep going. Come back.
I am coming back. You want some food?
He wanted to get some food. Hey, hey, get off them babies.
You be nice, funny boy. Oh, buddy. Good boy. Hey, Mama, you ready? You gonna have it on?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go!
He's not doing it. Yeah. What doing, son?
I think we got the money back though. I think he's still really mad at me from what I did to him.
What are you doing, Specs? Hey, Speckles.
Come here, girl. You're little.
Hey, Red.
2, 4, 6, 8. I got all of them out. I almost got it.
What are you doing, Mrs. Clucker?
I'm ready, boy. You're a sweet girl, you. Nice one. You ready? I'm gonna go around and around, alright? Let's go!
He,
You didn't see me, did you?
no, you gotta put the food back in their coop. What are you doing, Red?
Everybody's gonna follow me now. Okay. I have a trail leader. Mama, you ready? Run past them around you and around. And then on the second lap, probably second, I'll put my arms out and I'll call your name and then you let me come with you. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go! Get me behind me!
No, he quit because you're going around.
Come on, guys! Who else is gonna chase?
Just do it right here, Addison. You're a chicken. You're a chicken, Addison.
What?
I said you're a chicken.
Oh, come on. He's a scary one, though. I just say it. Are you ready? Come on, boy. Yeah. You're making Mama tired. You're making me tired, ready?
Just go like right here. Don't go all around. Let's see.
Might just go like back and forth. Back
Yeah, just like right here with Sonny.
He's gained up power. Probably because I'm more tired, you know? Like that.
Well, just try one more time.
I'm right in front of him. Alright, remember.
He stopped. He stopped.
Oh, you gotta tell me that. He stopped.
He'll quit if you just stop. He quits.
Okay, I'll try that.
He's
I might
playing tag.
chase him back.
All right, go.
You ready, boy? You ready?
You should yell, ready to go.
Let me breathe real quick. All right, buddy? Nibbles is easy to catch most of the time. She doesn't try to run. Really?
Mm-mm.
She's pretty.
Yes.
We're supposed to get eggs this week.
Well,
This Thursday, they're 18 weeks.
maybe this week.
Yeah,
It
maybe
might be a
this
couple
week.
more weeks.
Yeah. A couple more weeks through.
All right. No,
I'm gonna chase you back, boy. You don't want me to chase you.
well, just go that way a little bit.
You want cock-a-doodle? Boys, beach. Calm down, though, boys. Peanut butter tells
No.
you that's my girl. You leave her alone. Yes, let's. Yes, let's.
What you doing?
Let's catch that rat. You're not getting her.
Oh, you're getting some food, huh?